I want to show you how you can add a game to a tournament. So to do that, I'm going to show you how to create a tournament. If you come up here to tournaments, you go here to create, and then you need to come up with a title for your tournament. You just type that in, and then you need to come up with a time that it's going to start and end, and then you can write something descriptive here or not, and then just hit Save Tournament. After you save the tournament, you can begin to add games. And so, for instance, if we were studying about Europe, I would just type Europe in, go to Add Game, and then I can pick any of these games to add to it. So let's say that I want to do this one. I can add it here, and it'll automatically put it in. But maybe I want to test it out first. So we'll do that same search. I'll go to Add Game. What I can do is I can click on the title of the game, play it first, and then decide whether or not I want to add it. And generally that's probably the way you want to do it. But you can just hit the Add Game feature at the bottom there. Now, the problem is, let's say I created my own game and I'm trying to search for it, but it doesn't come up in our Add Game search. For instance, I have a game called South and East Asia. And if I search for it, it's not going to come up. It only shows the top 60, and unfortunately, there is no way to advance that to another page. So you're kind of stuck at this point. So what you then have to do is you have to go back into, actually, if you just go into your profile and go to the games that you've created, you can go to that game and you have to hit the play button. Once you hit the play button, you can come up here to Add Game to Tournament, and here's my practice tournament, and I can just add it that way. Now I have 3 games that are going to be added to my tournament that I have set up for tomorrow. You can see here it's set up for 1 day and 51 minutes from now. Now, one thing to point out, the time on here is not the actual time that it is. It's about 8 hours off. So just keep that in mind when you're setting up a tournament, that it's not going to be this time. Okay, hope that works for you and you're able to start creating tournaments.